Hey guys, today we're going to upgrade the hard drive on our Asus X501 notebook to a solid state drive. This will use either a 7mm or 9.5mm. This is a 7mm Samsung. It's thinner. I don't have a 9.5 to show you right now, but either will work with the caddy. So anyway, I have another video that shows you how to, in detail, how to take off the bottom cover. I'll summarize it for you real quickly. Remove the battery, remove 11 screws. Big one, you can't see this, can you? Big one here, big one here. The 9 other screws are around this thing. They're smaller. Pull those out. Now once you have the screws out, you need to pry off put the screen back all the way, find a gift card, and you want to pry at these outer edges first. Make these are loose, and then I would go around with your gift card. This one's already loose, so it's going to be a lot easier, but kind of go with the gift card all the way around, and then kind of while you're prying, get under there with the gift card. Don't want to bend the keyboard at all, and don't bend this at all because it may end up damaging it. But anyway, once you have this loose, you should be able to lift it up. Don't lift it up very much. Now, if you want to lift it slightly, you'll see that we have a problem. We have 2 cables connected. So while you open it this method, take your fingernail, lift up the 2 white locking mechanisms, which I'll show you real quick. We have open, shut, for the touchpad, for the keyboard. When you put them back in, they have to be open, and lock them down. There are white line and black line indicating when you have it pushed all the way in. But anyway, check out my other video for more info on that, on how to take off the bottom lid. So let's get to the hard drive here. As far as that goes, I'll zoom in there a little bit. You do have a cable here. Same kind of idea. You want to get with your fingernail, just lift it up to that open position, and it's going to have a little bit of adhesive. So what you may want to do is, it has adhesive going to the hard drive. So I guess what would work, you want to get your gift card underneath this blue tab and pull it away from here. Once you have it away, carefully peel it off, and then you can, it's probably going to get in the way here. If you want, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to do the same thing on this end. Just get this out of the way. Again, just pull it out. But it's up to you if you want to completely remove it. It may be easiest to do so. Now I need to remove a screw here, which looks like it fell out, and a screw here, which also fell out. So once you have the screws out, slide the hard drive that way and carefully pull it out. So yeah, this looks like a 9.5mm hard drive, 500 gigabyte. It's attached with 4 screws, 2 on each side. Now, if you were going to install your solid state disk, you would basically put it in this caddy and attach the 4 screws. You would need to reinstall your operating system. It's up to you. I don't know if Asus will send you media or if you'll have to obtain that from somewhere else, but you might want to check with them ahead of time, or use an image software to pull off your, basically back this up to like an external hard drive, and then you can dump that onto a solid state disk once you put an SSD in. So as far as these screws go, once you get the hard drive out, you should be able to remove those. They're a little tiny. Let's see what happened here. There's 1, there's 2. So they're fairly small, but say this was a solid state drive, we would Yeah, be careful about these Wi-Fi cables too. These black and white cables, Wi-Fi cables, you're going to need to kind of ease that into place there. You don't want those above. You want to put those, make sure they're pushed in. So, let's see. Just kind of use your fingers to push it back to each of those screw holes line up. It might be helpful to have a slightly magnetic screwdriver, but we'll see. If you're careful enough, you can get your fingers in there. But yeah, just make sure these Wi-Fi cables are inside here, pushed down. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as upgrade the hard drive. And feel free to check out my other videos. I'm going to try to update or upgrade the RAM to 8 gigabytes. It has a single 4 gig module in here right now, but I'm going to have a video potentially showing how to do that. Otherwise, I'll just show you how to take out the motherboard. But I do need to test this with 8 gigabytes first just to prove that it works.